underneath is the access to those two black pipes. That's where all the excess water goes. To the right, the box is irrigation with the main water line, and the small black pipe is water coming in, and then that black pipe is water coming out. It goes underneath back to the front. This is a industrial commercial sink that I got off Craigslist from, I don't know, somewhere in the wastelands, and got a good deal on it. Had to clean it, refurbish it, and got water. And there's an attachment for the hose that I fill up the kettles with, spray washer, and that thing is just awesome. Comes in clutch, cleaning out all the grains underneath. Just a P-trap coming to the outside, and then water coming in with the shutoff valve. And it's adjustable with the rubber gasket, so I can move it around if I need to be. Pretty happy with it. Alright, let's taste the first home brew of the new home brewery. That's our kitchen sink. Got this cool attachment. Oh man, that thing's the best. My wife thought it was a waste of money, but I don't know. Seems pretty fun. Christmas time at the house. Let's go check out the brewery. Alright, there's my kegerator, and the only beer on tap is the middle one. See how she pours. Looking good. And yeah, it came out good. Plenty of CO2. Hey guys, been a crazy year. The brewery is done, and let me show you something. This right here is the first beer of the new brewery. It's a Mogollon Brim Blonde Ale, and I used a little bit of Citra hops and Mosaic hops. And it's probably more like a session IPA. It has a bitterness, but the last big thing of the whole project was getting the sink ready to go. And let me tell you, having that just makes cleanup easier. When you're loading the water into the hot liquor tank, it makes it so much easier. Just overall, it's just been so more efficient and way more laid back, and all the sanitizing before and after has just been great. And then to the left, I have Marzen. We didn't get to do our traditional Oktoberfest, so we pushed it back, so it'll be ready for Christmas. So just want to say, hope everyone is staying safe and have a hoppy Christmas, and thanks for all your support. My channel is to be a bit different. I may do my pizza oven build. That's the next thing, and then I'm going to do tutorials on how to make beer or different processes, whatever you guys want. And then on the pizza side, you just got to see it. Like, it's unbelievable. So it's pretty much a pizzeria brewery in my house. So cheers and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. See you online. Like and subscribe.